Cooking dinner. Cooking dinner is one of my favorite activities. After a long day, it's fun to be in the kitchen, preparing a delicious meal. Sometimes, I help my mom cook, and sometimes, I try cooking on my own. I enjoy chopping vegetables, stirring the pot, and adding spices to make the food taste great. My favorite meal to cook is pasta with tomato sauce and garlic bread. I love how the house smells when dinner is cooking. It always makes me feel hungry and excited to eat. Cooking dinner helps me learn new skills, like measuring ingredients and following a recipe. It's also a way to be creative because I can experiment with different flavors and textures. After dinner, I like to clean up and put everything away. It feels good to have a tidy kitchen. Cooking also teaches me about patience because I need to wait for the food to be ready. Sometimes, when I'm cooking, I think about the people who made the food I eat every day. I feel grateful for all the effort they put into preparing meals for the family. After we eat, I feel proud of myself for making something delicious and healthy. Cooking is not just about making food. It's also about sharing time with my family and learning new things together. I want to keep learning new recipes and improving my cooking skills.